We are living in the prime time in all human history. More people are going to make more money in the coming few years than have ever been made in all of human history. More people are going to become millionaires and are becoming millionaires today at a fastest rate than we have ever thought possible. And no one is better than us. And no one is smarter than us. And if we do what other self made millionaires do, then nothing in the world can stop us from eventually getting the same results as other self made millionaires get. I was low yesterday and looking for some motivation. I started watching motivational videos, then I took a book and started reading it. It was Brian Tracy book. While I was reading it, I came across a spectacular secret of self-made millionaires shared by Brian Tracy. So, Napoleon Hill, writer of Think and Grow Rich, called this secret the master key of riches. After studying 500 of the richest people in the American history, he said the secret is the quality of self discipline. Yes, I repeat, the quality of self discipline. It's the ability to make ourselves do what we should do, when we should do it, whether we feel like it or not. The quality of self discipline is the quality that will make us a big success. It's the ability to force ourselves to do what we know we should do. And here is the wonderful discovery that persistence is self discipline in action. Every time we persist, we build our self discipline. Every time we practice self discipline, we build our ability to persist. And the two of them are connected into our self esteem. Yeah. So the more we persist, the more we like ourselves, and the more we like ourselves, the more discipline we have. And the more discipline we have in practice, we become absolutely unstoppable. We reach the point where we know we can achieve the goal and nothing in the world can stop us, and every step we take forward makes us stronger and stronger until finally people say, I know one thing about him, I know one thing about her. You cannot stop him or her. Once they decide they want something, they will not stop until they get it. And when we develop that quality, there will be nothing that is impossible to us. Don't forget that self discipline is a muscle. The more we exercise it, the stronger it gets. Thank you for stopping by.